Section 8, Programs. So, something interesting that we have are online programs. So, we begin by creating a program category. Let's call this drawing courses. Save that. Add to navigation. I can even add some subtopics which are going to be used as filters, just like the groupings inside the stores. I'm not going to add any right now. Choose programs, new program, choose the category, add an image, program title, get better at drawing. This program is suited for beginners. I can add some description here. I can add some cool pop-ups. What will you learn? Draw beautiful pictures. Amaze your friends. All right. You can add some custom video content, which we're not going to do right now. You can add some additional content, which is basically a custom section or a partial. You can add suitability if you have any price plans enabled, and then you can add your actual course. So we choose week 1. We can add a title for week 1 or leave it as it is. Day 1, step 1. So this can be what brush to use, and some description. And it would be best, you can either just upload your video content right here, or you can add some, you can create a custom page for that lecture and attach it to the course. So I'm going to use the illustration collage for now. Save that. Add another step, which is step 2. Description, just save it like this. Click on save. Go to preview courses, click on the course and continue the course. Choose week 1, day 1. And I have my custom page right here, which can contain a video or some text or explanations or whatever. So I can mark that as completed and go to step 2. And now when I go to my homepage, I can see my my course that I have started with the percentage of completion of that course, and I can just continue from where I left off. So step 2, complete. And now that I have completed it, I no longer have it in my homepage. You can also add a tracker for your programs. Let's say you add some quizzes, some tests at the end of each section or day, or however you structure that. And you can call your tracker whatever you want. Let's call this score, and this tracker keeps track of your progress. You can add some video content to that for explanations and save it. And go to the tracker. Then we can add some progress. We can enter our score, which was A+, of course. We can add some more information in the form of a picture and upload our progress. And here we can keep score of how we are doing over time.